Hello everybody, so let's get started. So start with I'm using my MAC foundation and concealer in the shade NC42. I've already applied my foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the concealer and blending it all well with the foundation brush. Now it's time for my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrow palette, and with the help of this eyebrow brush, filling in my eyebrows. I want really that dark eyebrows, so I'm filling it with a darkish shade of brown that was in the palette and filling them in really nicely. And now here I'm taking the brow brush and then blending it to give it a more natural look. Yep, look at them, look at those eyebrows, love it. Next, it's time for eyeshadow. So for my eyeshadow, I'm taking this eyeshadow palette, and from there I am using this metallic copper color. You can use any metallic copper color, doesn't have to be this eyeshadow palette, and then apply it in the center of my eyelid, actually like the entire eyelid, just like apply it all over the eyelid. Next, I'm taking this matte brown eyeshadow and applying it on top of the metallic eyeshadow. I just like it that way. Next, I'm taking the matte brown eyeshadow, like a little darker, and applying it on the outer corner of my eyelid. Next, taking this matte black, I'm applying it on top of the brown and in the eye crease area especially. And then taking the lighter brown shade, I'm blending it all in, especially in the crease area. Just blend it, blend it, blend it. Yep. Blend all those harsh edges, make it look natural. Yep. Now taking this fluffy brush, blending it more towards the brow bone area, just creating that smoky eye look and giving it a more natural look. Now taking the highlighter, this is a matte white highlight pencil, and I am blending it again, highlighting my brow bones. Now this is a dazzle stick. Look at the dazzling color that will come out of this stick. It's a beautiful glittery eyeshadow stick. Applying it in the center of my eyelid to just look at the pop, like it just my eye pops, like, yeah, literally pops, so bright. Here you go, love it. Next, I'm taking this kajal is the most important step creating any Bengali look. So my kajal isn't sharpened, so I have to use this brush to take out as much as kajal I can, and applying it in my lower lash line area and the waterline area, applying it as thick as I can in the lower lash line area. Go like crazy with the kajal, and then I'm taking the matte black eyeshadow, and with the help of this flat top brush, putting it on top of the kajal. Why? So that it doesn't smudge. And then I'm taking the brown color and applying it again on top of the black eyeshadow. Why? So as to create the smoky eyeshadow look. Look at it. Again, taking the dazzling stick, I'm gonna dazzle my eyes some more, applying it in the inner corner. Look at my eyes. Wow. Next, I'm taking the matte black eyeliner to create this winged eyeliner look, which is gonna make my eye look 10 times bigger than they are in reality. Look at it, I can't even recognize that's my eye for real. Look at them. Wow, winging my eye away. Here you go. Yep. Next, I'm taking the concealer again, applying to cover all the fallouts and just making it more perfect and precise, and cleaning. Okay, I don't know what to say now. Just doing the same thing again and again, making sure it's all nice and clean. Now time to contour. For contouring, I'm using this brown shade from the Contour Diary palette and contouring my face so that it looks like I have the perfect cheekbone. Oh my gosh. And then blending it so it looks all natural and doesn't seem like I have actually created this look. Now it's time to add some blusher to my cheeks to make it look as if like they're natural. Now highlighting as if my cheeks glow naturally. Now I forgot to contour my nose. How can I do that? So I'm contouring it to make it look thinner than it is in real life, and highlighting it even better. Now time for lipstick. I cannot think of any other lipstick than red when I am creating a Bengali look. So I'm using my Urban Decay lipstick first, and then topping it off with my favorite matte red lip stick from Fenty Beauty called Uncensored, and look at it. Absolutely love this look. Wow, doesn't even look like me anymore. Now I'm gonna open my hair, so my confidence goes from 80 to 100. Nope, I feel 100 already. Well, here, look at it. Dang. Well, my makeup is done, and look, woo, that's me. Wow. Next video on my channel is going to be this Sharodiya lookbook. Till then, Shubho Sharodiya shobaike. Thank you so much for watching.